Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brandon and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing the review of the MTailor shirt. I had already got this shirt before and I did a whole review on it, and I'll put the link in the description right up here. So if you're interested, you can check that out. So that shirt didn't fit me at all, and they have a return guarantee. If it doesn't fit, let them know and they'll recut it and resend it to you for free, and you get to keep the old shirt, which they just told me just to donate it or give it away. So this is the shirt that I had remade because the other one was way too big. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna give it a try and see how it fits. Here we go. Let's just open this up and see what we got. And if you guys are interested in getting a shirt like this, it doesn't take very long to get it made and have it shipped to you. And you know, it's a pretty cool process. You do it on the app and you like turn and do all that good stuff, and it's supposed to have you measured. They always send you metal collar stays, which is cool, and they always send this little card. I don't know if you guys can read that or not. All right, and then here's the shirt right here. So I'm gonna put this on and see how it fits. Now, right off top, I can already tell you guys that this shirt fits much better than the last one I got. So I'm gonna step back and show you guys so you can kind of see how it fits. As far as for the sleeves go, they fit just right, right at the wrist. And the sides here is perfect. You can get a tucked or an untucked. That's the one I got, untucked. So it's like more of a dress shirt. And the neck fits good too. I mean, everything, this shirt's way better than the last one. So I would totally recommend this for somebody who's just trying to buy their first dress shirt, or maybe they just want to try it out. And you guys should definitely give it a shot. And as always, if this is your first time here, please subscribe so you can always be known when I drop a new video, which is every week. And I'm trying to get 25 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's just a goal that I'm trying to reach, so you should help me by subscribing.